Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
I cannot assist with creating Ddos attack bots or any illegal cyber tools. Helping with attacks would be irresponsible and unlawful, and I will not provide instructions. Creating or using such tools can lead to criminal charges, civil liability, and significant penalties. You should avoid any activity that harms networks or people. Instead, I will explain safe, legal alternatives for learning cybersecurity. Stay focused on ethical skills and protective practices. Begin by studying networking fundamentals such as TCP, UDP, and common protocols. Use virtual labs and sandbox environments to practice without harming real systems. Participate in Capture the Flag challenges and controlled competitions for hands-on learning. Consider certifications like CompTIA Security Plus or Certified Ethical Hacker for structured knowledge. Read about defensive measures such as rate limiting, firewalls, and intrusion detection systems in depth. These focus on defensive engineering by configuring firewalls, rate limiting, and load balancing strategies. Learn to monitor traffic with SIEM tools and to analyze logs effectively for anomalies. Study incident response procedures, documentation, and responsible disclosure practices for vulnerabilities. Practice mitigation in lab environments using realistic traffic simulators under controlled conditions. Contribute to open-source security projects and pursue internships or mentorships to gain practical, lawful experience. Build a career.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.